Good morning students. Today we will see the previous year questions ESIC nursing officer exam preparation. The most common type of hearing loss. Option A sensorineural, option B conductive, option C total, option D mixed. Option A is the right answer. Next question. The most common grade of microtia. Option A grade 1, option B grade 2, option C grade 3, option D grade 4. Option C is the right answer. Next question. Cryptotia is also known as option A buried ear, option B pocket ear, deformity, option C Stahl's ear, option D all of the above. Option A buried ear is the right answer. Next question. Otitis media is inflammation of option A external ear, option B middle ear, option C inner ear, option D none of the above. Option B middle ear is the right answer. Otitis media means inflammation of the middle ears. Do subscribe. Next question. Bleeding from the nose is called option A coryza, option B rhinitis, option C epistaxis, option D peritonsillar. Option C is the right answer. Epistaxis. Next question. Stepadectomy is done in the treatment of option A Meniere's disease, option B otosclerosis, option C SESAM, option D AOM. The B is the right answer. Otosclerosis is the right answer of the stepadectomy. Next question. Otitis means option A inflammation of outer layer, inflammation option B inflammation of middle ear, option C inflammation of inner ear, option D inflammation of ear. Option D is the right answer. Otitis means inflammation of ear. Next question. Rhinitis is also called as coryza, option A stuffy nose, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Option C is the right answer. Rhinitis is coryza and stuffy nose. Next question. The most common type of throat cancer. Option A adenocarcinoma, option B squamous cell carcinoma, option C sarcoma, option D none of the above. Option B is the right answer. Squamous cell carcinoma. The most common type of throat cancer is squamous cell carcinoma. Next question. The most common type of rhinitis. Option A atrophic rhinitis, option B allergic rhinitis, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Option B is the right answer. Next, the most common type of ear infection. Option A acute otitis media, option B chronic supportive otitis media, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Option A is the right answer. Acute otitis media. Next, otorrhea means option A pain in the ear, option B ringing sensation in ear, option D draining in from ear, option D loss of hearing. Option C is the right answer. A state of memory impairment is called as option A delirium, option B dementia, option C illusion, option D false perception. Option B is the right answer. Next question. Dry nasal mucus is also called as option A boogie, option E booger, option C boogie, option D all of the above. Nasal mucosa is called boogie. Option. Next question. Total loss of sense of smell is called as option A anosmia, option B hypogeusia, option C ageusia, option D ametropia. Option A is the right answer. Next, fruity odor in urine due to the presence of option A ketone bodies, option B sugar, option C uric acid, option D bile. Option A is the right answer. Ketone bodies. Next, an inflammation of brain is called as option A encephalitis, option B meningitis, option C myasthenia gravis, option D multiple sclerosis. Option A is the right answer. Encephalitis is the right answer. Next question. Total score of Glasgow Coma Scale is Option A 10, option B 5, option C 15, option D 20. Option C is the right answer. 15 is the right answer. Next, complication of spinal cord injury. Option A, deep vein thrombosis. Option B, spasticity. Option C, pain. Option D, all of the above. Option D is the right answer. Next, rhinitis is an inflammation of option A, mucous membrane of nose. Option B, mucous membrane of throat. Option C, mucous membrane of larynx. Option D, none of the above. Option A, mucous membrane of nose is the right answer. Next question. Quadriplegia means option A, paralysis of one limb. Option B, paralysis of two limbs. Option C, paralysis of three limbs. Option D, paralysis of four limbs. Option D is the right answer. Paralysis of four limbs. Next, symptoms of middle ear cancer. Option A, bloody discharge from the inner ear. Option B, hearing loss. Option B, headache. Option C, all of the above is the right answer. Myasthenia gravis effect. Option A, CSF production. Option B, body movement. Option C, body balance. Option D, nerve impulse transmission. Option D is the right answer. Good evening students. Today we will see the ESIC previous year question papers part 3. Passive immunity is transferred to neonate from mother. First option IgG, option B IgA, option C IgM, option D IgE. Option B is the right answer. IgA is the right answer. Next question. Which color of light used for treatment of neonatal jaundice? Option A red light, option B white light, option C blue light, option D violet light. Option C is the right answer. Blue light is the right answer. Next question. Pertussis vaccine is contraindicated if the child has. Option A is the right answer. A history of pertussis vaccine is contraindicated to pertussis vaccine. Next question. Projectile vomiting is a characteristic feature of option A pyloric stenosis, option B intestinal perforation, option C diverticulum, option D intestinal obstruction. Option A is the right answer. Pyloric stenosis is the right answer. Next question. Thalassemia is option A Cooley's anemia, option B aplastic anemia, sickle cell anemia, option D megaloblastic anemia. Option A is the right answer. Cooley's anemia is the right answer. Next question. Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of option A vitamin B1, option B vitamin B2, option C vitamin B6, option D vitamin B12. Option A is the right answer. Vitamin B1. Next question. Vitamin which prevents hemorrhage is option A vitamin K, option B vitamin A, option C vitamin D, option D vitamin E. Option A is the right answer. Vitamin K is the prevent hemorrhage. Next question. The term used for bad breath from mouth is called option A halitosis, option B pyuria, option C bromidrosis, option D hyperhidrosis. Next, option A is the right answer. Halitosis is the bad breath from mouth. Next, insulin was discovered by option A F. Batting, option B Frederick Sanger, option C Zahner, option D Robert Koch. Option B is the right answer. Frederick Sanger. Next question. Bile is produced by option A liver, option B kidney, option C pancreas, option D appendix. Option A is the right answer. Liver is the right answer. It is produced by liver. Bile is produced by liver. Next question. Bile is stored in option A liver, option B kidney, option C pancreas, option D gallbladder. Option D is the right answer. Bile is stored in gallbladder. Next question. The precursor of vitamin A. Option A carotene, option B retinol, option C calciferol, option D nicotinic acid. Option A is the right answer. Carotene is the right answer. Precursor of vitamin A is carotene. Next question. Which hormone is responsible for milk ejection? Option A prolactin, option B oxytocin, option C thyroxine, option D HCG. Option B is the right answer. Oxytocin is the right answer. Next, the other name of vasopressin hormone is Option A, antidiuretic hormone. Option B, diuretic hormone. Option C, parathormone. Option D, none of them. Option A is the right answer. Antidiuretic hormone is the vasopressin hormone. Next question. Which hormone is responsible for diabetes insipidus? Option A, insulin. Option B, vasopressin. Option C, glucagon. Option D, aldosterone. Option B is the right answer. Vasopressin is the hormone is responsible for diabetes insipidus. Next, calcitonin hormone is secreted by which gland? Option A, adrenal medulla. Option B, adrenal cortex. Option C, pituitary gland. Option D, thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is the right answer. Next question. Normal pH of blood is option A 7, option B 7.02, option C 7.4, option D 6.8. Option C is the right answer. 7.4 is the right answer. Please do subscribe and share. Thank you. Good evening students. Today we will see the UPSC, ESIC, RRB staff nurse exam preparations. Functions of lungs are carried out by which organ in fetal life? Option A, liver. Option B, placenta. Option C, heart. Option D, lungs. Option B is the right answer, placenta. Next question. Largest papillae present on tongue is? Option A, fungiform papillae. Option B, filiform papillae. Option C, circumvallate papillae. Option D, frenulum papillae. Option C is the right answer, circumvallate papillae. Next, the substance which give color to the feces. Option A, HCl. Option B, pepsin. Option C, bilirubin. Option C, stercobilin. Option D is the right answer. Stercobilin is the right answer. Next question. Immediate disinfections of all contaminated article during the course of the disease is termed as? Option A, terminal disinfection. Option B, sterilization. Option C, concurrent disinfection. Option D, autoclaving. Option C is the right answer, concurrent disinfection. Next, tetany is the result by the deficiency of? Option A, parathormone. Option B, thyroxine. Option C, TSH. Option D, triiodothyroxine. Option A is the right answer, parathormone. The tetany is result in deficiency of parathormone. Option A is the right. Next, the most common fracture of fibula is? Option A, stellate fracture. Option B, March fracture. Option C, Potts fracture. Option D, Colles fracture. Option C is the right answer, Potts fracture. Next question. Who is the father of modern microbiology? Option A, Alexander Fleming. Option B, Robert Koch. Option C, Paul Ehrlich. Option D, Louis Pasteur. Option C, Paul Ehrlich is the right answer. Next question. Immunity acquired by a suffering from disease is? Option A, natural immunity. Option B, passive immunity. Option C, active immunity. Option D, acquired natural immunity. Option D is the right answer, acquired natural immunity. So, immunity is acquired suffering from disease is acquired natural immunity. Next question. Glossitis is the term used for? Option A, inflammation of mouth. Option B, inflammation of mouth corner. Option C, inflammation of tongue. Option D, inflammation of pharynx. Option C is the right answer, inflammation of tongue. Please do subscribe and share. Next, angina pain increases with activity indicate? Option A, myocardial infarction. Option B, myocardial ischemia. Option C, myocardial insufficiency. Option D, coronary thrombosis. Option B is the right answer, myocardial ischemia. Next, the most common complications of aminophylline intravenous infusion is? Option A, hypertension. Option B, hypotension. Option C, bradycardia. Option D, blurred vision. Option B is the right answer, hypertension. Next question. The skin test done to detect the immunity against diphtheria is? Option A, Vidal test. Option B, Montague's test. Option C, Schick test. Option D, Weber's test. Option C is the right answer. Next, the term schizophrenia refers to?
Option A, intellectual disorientation. Option B, splitting of mind. Option C, neurological illness. Option D, psychological illness. Option B is the right answer, splitting of mind. Next, a person who is avoiding becoming aware of some painful aspect of reality is option A, denial. Option B, projection. Option C, deterioration. Option D, acceptance. Option A is the right answer. Next, lack of physical movement is seen with catatonic schizophrenia. It is option A, akinesia. Option A, arrhythmia. Option C, apathy. Option D, amnesia. Option A is the right answer. Please do subscribe, like, and share channel.
Good evening students. Today we will see the SIC, RRB, AIMS previous year important question papers. Deficiency of sodium in the blood is known as option A, hypernatremia. Option B, hyperkalemia. Option C, hyponatremia. Option D, hypokalemia. Option C is the right answer. Hyponatremia is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following vitamin is deficient in infant? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin D. Option C, vitamin E. Option D, vitamin K. Option D is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following foodborne disease is caused by a protozoa? Option A, amoebiasis. Option B, dysentery. Option C, constipation. Option D, scabies. Option A is the right answer. Amoebiasis is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following vitamin is deficient in infant? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin D. Option C, vitamin E. Option D, vitamin K. Option B is the right answer. Vitamin D is the deficient in infant. Next question. Daily intake of protein recommended for a moderate active woman is option A, 12 gram. Option B, 30 gram. Option C, 38. Option D, 46. Option B, 30 gram is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following nutrient is essential for muscle building? Option A, carbohydrate. Option B, protein. Option C, fat. Option D, vitamin. Option B is the right answer. Protein is the muscle building. Next, the amount of calories provided by 1 gram of fat is option A, 3 kilocalorie. Option B, 4 kilocalorie. Option C, 9 kilo. Option D, 12 kilo. Option C is the right answer. Next question. One of the main source of keratin is option A is the right answer. Leafy greens is the right answer. Next question. Hemorrhoids result from option A, constipation. Option B, diarrhea. Option C, exercise. Option D, high calorie diet. Option A is the right answer. Next question. One of the main function of bile. Option A, fat emulsification. Option B, protein emulsification. Option C, help in synthesize vitamin. Option D, carbohydrate digestion. Option A, fat emulsification is the right answer. Next question. The most important method of preventing amoebic dysentery is option A, pesticides control. Option B, rat control. Option C, sewage disposal. Option D, tick control. Option C is the right answer, sewage disposal. Next, which bacteria cause the whooping cough? Option A, Mycobacterium. Option B, Corynebacterium. Option C, Bordetella pertussis. Option D, Salmonella typhi. Option C is the right answer. Please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.